Welcome! In front of me I have a COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, select the screen off option, and here we have the list of durations we can select. It goes from 5 seconds to up to 15 seconds. Select the option you like. For example, I'm gonna select 10 seconds, then tap the check mark to confirm, and now we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So let's wait. And here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.